Hi, my name is Anissa Datu and I'm a lawyer here at AP Lawyers. I want to talk to you about the current circumstances revolving around COVID-19 and the Parents and Grandparents program that was supposed to open recently by the IRCC. So if you've been keeping up with the IRCC updates either on their website or via social media, and you had your hopes on applying to sponsor your parents or your grandparents, unfortunately, you've probably already figured it out. But I'm here to tell you that the program has been delayed again. Earlier this year in January, February, we had posted a video about the program being delayed for its for sponsors, for the Canadian citizens and permanent residents who want to sponsor their parents and grandparents. It was delayed earlier this year with the hopes of opening sometime in April. So sometime around right now, we were very excited to be able to launch expressions of interest for our clients and for many of you who want to sponsor your parents and grandparents and bring them to Canada finally. We know that this program has gone through so many changes over the last few years. We know that it's constantly being updated, it's constantly being changed. They are trying to work out, the IRCC is trying to make it as best as possible. They're trying to work out any of the issues and make it as best as possible and as easy to follow and as fair as possible to everyone. But unfortunately, due to the unforeseeable pandemic and self-quarantining and self-isolation that we are in right now, it has made it very difficult for the IRCC to open this program again in April because they have taken a government-wide approach to use their resources in priority areas. And what I want to let you know is that we will keep you updated. We will let you know as we find out more updates, and it's important to pay attention to our social media because we will let you know there. We will also guide you to looking at the IRCC website and their social media as well, because they will also be posting updates there. So if you have any questions, we do want to let you know that we are available and you can speak to one of our lawyers at any point. But what's important to recognize is, what do you need to do in the meantime? I highly, highly encourage everyone to take advantage of this opportunity that we have with the program being delayed. Make sure that you get a head start. This is just a chance to get a head start, to be ahead of them, to be ahead of everyone else. If you look at the application and you start getting all the information down, ask your parents or your grandparents certain information that you don't know. Get your birth certificates in order. If they have to be translated, get them translated. Get all the documents you need, because if you're relying on a third party to get something done, everyone's delayed. So it's very important to organize yourself. And then as soon as we get the update, which we're hoping will be soon from the IRCC, that the program is going to reopen, you already know, you're already ahead of them. And so that's important. And we're actually working with a number of our clients with regards to getting everything in order right now and helping them do so that they can be ahead of the pack when the program does open, and that we can make sure that everything is done in a timely fashion. And that's what's very important, to ensure a fast processing time as well in office and with the IRCC. So contact us today if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help. Take care, everyone.